Grace, and I'm representing Bryan Adams Leadership Academy, and today I'm making a delicious, creamy, sweet treat, Algo Granola Greek Yogurt, created by Chase Brown and Connie Murphy. Here's what you will need to make this delicious treat. You will need a spoon for mixing, a measuring cup, a butter knife for cutting, a measuring spoon, a cutting board, honey oats, cantaloupe, mango, and non-fat Greek yogurt. And you will also need a cup. And as always, safety first, so be sure to ask a parent to help you when cutting with your butter knife to cut the ingredients. Also need 1/4 cup cantaloupe, 1/4 cup mango, 2 tablespoons of your oats and honey, and 1/4 cup of your non-fat plain Greek yogurt. And now you're going to want to cut up your cantaloupe. So first we're going to measure out our 1/4 cup of yogurt. So now we're just going to take a little bit of our yogurt and put it at the bottom. And now we're going to measure out our cantaloupe until we have 1/4 cup. And then we're going to put that in, well, just a little bit. And then the rest of your yogurt on top.